Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to cancel the Manus AI subscription. First, let's cancel Manus AI on mobile. On Android, open the Google Play Store app, then tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Now go to Payments and Subscriptions, then open Subscriptions. Here, find Manus AI in your list of active subscriptions. After that, tap Cancel Subscription and follow the on-screen prompts to confirm. You will still have access until the end of billing cycle period. Now, on iPhone or iPad, open the Settings app. Then, tap your Apple ID name at the top. Next, go to Subscriptions and find Manus AI. After that, tap Cancel Subscription and confirm the cancellation. Now let's cancel Manus AI on PC. Open your browser and go to the Manus AI login page. Then log in with the account linked to your subscription. After that, go to Account Settings and open the Billing or Subscription section. Here, look for the Cancel Subscription or Manage Plan option. Next, click Cancel and confirm your choice. You may receive an email confirmation the cancellation. If you subscribe through a third-party platform, you can cancel from there. For example, if you used PayPal, log into your account, then go to Settings, open Payments, and select Manage Automatic Payments. Here, find Manus AI and cancel it. If you paid using a credit or debit card and the charges continue, contact your bank. Then request them to block future Manus AI payments. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.